My name is Javier Mejia, and I live in Panorama City. You know what? I've lived there for many years, and I've always noticed grass, weeds that were growing, 4 feet tall. People throwing trash, dumping construction material here, old furniture. I found all kinds of garbage. I can name them all. I found needles in here. You name them, and I probably found them in here. So I decided one day that I wanted to clean this place up, and I started by digging up all the weeds out and cleaning it up, make it nice and smooth. But that wasn't enough. I didn't think that that would be enough. So I started testing different plants to see what would grow, under this type of condition, because as you know, we don't have any water here. So I had to start with certain plants, and I tested for a while and see what worked and what did not work. And eventually I got the hang of it. And that's what I decided to do, is start with different plants and make it into a garden. And as time went by, I just got emotionally, started doing. I just wanted to do more. And that's what I've been doing here. Many people in the community have actually stopped by sometimes in the mornings, and they just are thrilled to see the changes here. They said they're very happy to see that. They're happy. They're happy. Like I say, I've had probably over 100 people that have actually stopped by to talk to me and maybe, thank me for what I'm doing. Some people are kind of like, am I working for someone? And I said, I'm working for up there. Ever since I was a kid, I remember enjoying working on, planting. I came to this country when I was 10 years old, and I started, helping my parents by doing gardening work. And so I think it's always been in my blood. It's always been it's actually in my whole family's blood. We all enjoy gardening, and but this is just something extra. My garden is pretty much full now, but I decided to find something else. The type of things that I think would make it easier for me to work here in this garden is probably having a little water. I don't know what the city's able to do for me as far as maybe bringing in a water line across here, because I normally will drive my vehicle and bring in 4 or 5 gallon buckets of water, bring them in here and pour them into the plants little at a time, and then go home and bring in another 4 or 5 gallon buckets. Gardening does give a lot of people peace. It definitely does it for me, and I'm sure it does it for a lot of people. So if you guys like to stroll by here, just make sure that you don't poke yourself with some of the agaves or the cactus. Just walk slowly, but enjoy the garden. It's all for you guys. It's all for the whole community. That's who I'm doing it for.